there is something called a flow state, also known as being in the zone. This is the mental state in which a person performing some activity is fully immersed in a feeling of energized focus, full involvement, and enjoyment in the process of the activity. Have you ever heard of that term, the state of flow? Or have you ever been in such a situation? Welcome to today's podcast. We're going to be talking about the state of flow. Every business person needs that state. Everyone who is working, who needs to be innovative, needs that state at all times. Without it, you may not proceed as far as you should. Not in this century, not in this generation. Things have changed a lot. If you don't innovate very fast, if you don't make changes, if you don't decide very fast, if you don't become better and better always, things will become hard and hard. So you, as a business person, you as a small business, you need to find that activity or that one thing, or maybe a couple of things that can help you to concentrate. What do you do to give you that state? Today I'm going to share with you some of the things that I do currently to help me. And I won't kid you about this because I am involved in an industry that requires creativity, that requires innovation almost on a daily basis. I work with a group of people that are passionate about the performing arts. In the creative arts world, they are very passionate, and each time they come up with new content, it has to be innovative, it has to be new, it has to be like nothing seen from before. So if you don't have that state of mind, you cannot be in position of doing any of that. Your business will die. There was a time I had a dancer tell me that they were asked when they're releasing the new content. In fact, they were reminded that the routine they had been done over and over again, and people were tired of it. Then they made a statement. They were like, if you look at musicians, one song can last for close to 5 years and they will still do it and people will enjoy it. But when it comes to a dancer, you don't have that luxury. When you do one routine and you do it now, you can never come back with it. You have to come up with something very, very new. So tell me, what helps to facilitate your state of flow? As for me, I have 3 things that help me each time I need to clear my head, that helps me to think a lot and come up with new ideas. Now, I don't force myself to do that, but whenever I start doing those activities, my head just clears and I start thinking about so many new ideas that I need to put across. Number 1, whenever I'm washing, it doesn't matter what type of washing, as long as I am washing, my head is turned on. My mind is turned on. I will start thinking of so many great ideas. Number 2, I cook for myself. And each time I do that, the creative juices just start flowing. Actually, when I finish cooking, I have something to write down, something that I'm going to use for a particular activity in the future, or something that can help me in my line of business. Then lastly, jogging. It started in a very simple form a way to get out of, or rather, a way to get through the second lockdown of 3 weeks that had been instituted last year in 2020. I set myself a goal to jog on a daily basis for 30 days straight, and I made it. But all through that, I learned a lot, that my head gets cleared, and I think very, very much. As a matter of fact, it helped me a lot during that time of lockdown. I wouldn't have been able to come up with ideas that we implemented with the team that I work with in the performing arts. So it's all attributed to jogging. Those are the 3 that helped me a lot. What are yours? What activities do you do that can help you to get into that state of flow? Well, thank you for listening until the end. Tell me in the comment section what yours is. I'll be very happy to check it out and find out what turns you on. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'll be very, very much grateful if you do that. Hit on the bell so that you'll be notified each time we have new content. Otherwise, also follow us on our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, at Oromao. That is OROMAO. Thank you. Bye-bye.